All right, welcome to MISFIRE, winners round 1 of the low tier bracket. We're going to be starting it off with J64 versus Adapt. And it looks like they're going off to start it off with a Roy Ditto on Smashville. So this is going to be pretty good. This should be actually really good. I know that J64 has been picking up on his Roy a little bit, so that should be nice. But I've never seen Adapt play also. So it looks like the red Roy is going to be opening up with some jumping fair combos. I'm pretty sure that was J64 that started that off. Yeah, J64 is the red Roy, and Adapt is the green Roy. And J64 really starting off with some commanding combo, but Adapt's answering right back with the quick little combo off the stage. Not going to connect for the final hit to kill. All right, so just as I said that, Adapt has really brought this game back for himself. With only really one combo, his spacing's really good, and that F smash would have been really bad if he rolled in. J64 has a problem with rolling in on F smashes in this game, especially against Roy. So it's going to be interesting to see what he's going to do to prevent himself from rolling into any F smashes. All right, making it back to stage here. Looks like it's going down pretty good. Another fair. Ooh, that back air, that's going to take that first stock. So Adapt is now in the lead with 2 stocks. Oh, J64 going for that really cheeky up smash. He really wants this kill. Oh, counters for not really any good reason, but okay. Oh Lord. Oh, down throw. I thought he was gonna try to. I thought he was gonna try to read the roll in again with F smash. Honestly, that was a really hard read on J64's part. Oh, he might be dead. Oh, he's dead. That's it. So game 1 is gonna go to Adapt. Yeah, come commentate. So we're going to be having my boy Indra hop on the set really quick to help commentate, because I don't really want to commentate alone. Oh, J64 switching to his counterpart main of Dr. Mario. He is a Mario main, so Dr. Mario should be kind of second nature to him. I believe that every Mario player should know how to play Dr. Mario, in my opinion.
I don't know. It's a pretty different character.
Kind of, but I mean, everything is basically the same.
Yeah, I mean, you could get the same gist of the character, but Dr. Mario, just to put it simply, isn't as good.
Yeah.
Marios are just spoiled with a great moveset, and he has the same moveset, but it's not good.
It seems like Jared. No, but Jared used to also main Dr. Mario as well when the game first started. Like when the game first came out, he mained Dr. Mario, then he switched to Mario. So he should really know what type of combos should be coming out here against Roy. But oh my God, that F smash! Yeah, Jesus Christ!
F smash are gonna take the first stock.
That was actually really good.
Yeah.
That missed tech. Oh, that's unfortunate. That was he was looking like Avo for a second. My lord.
Yeah, and the way he timed it, honestly, I feel like if he would have teched, he would have still ended up getting hit by it, because it has a few active frames.
He could have medical sheeted him instead of grabbing him.
Yeah. I feel like the edge guards are like there. They're just, he's not making the right choices on the moves that he wants to keep him away from the stage with.
Yeah, 100%.
That was a good punish. I would have saved it until kill percent though.
Yeah.
It won't do too much stealing for now.
Really, what I think J64 is looking for is just a really hard up smash. Yo, those 3 spot dodges were smart. Ooh!
There you go. There you go.
Is he dead?
Is he dead?
Aw, what?
Yeah,
the pill didn't hit him?
The pill was good. It was placed well. It's just, you know, there's a better option. And
yeah. Maybe run off Nair. Maybe?
Maybe I would just go for the cape, honestly. It's not as effective as Mario's because you don't get to float, but if you time it right, it's pretty much what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Countered it. Wow. He's like, I'm not getting punished by that twice in a row. All right, so Adapt's going to be taking this game in winners round 1 with a 2-0 victory. Congratulations, Adapt.